All right. Well, yeah, the bolt to the spindle on this one I got off, but the bracket bolt I couldn't get off. I had to hacksaw it off, and because my sawzall is big, I couldn't get in to that angle. And now I've got to get these off, which are somewhat stripped. Let's see if you can see. There's going to be a hole right here. You're not going to be able to see that. So that right there, that bolt head came off. 3 out of 4 snapped. And I've got to somehow get that off. And I am not up for hacksawing all 4 of these things. So I'm hoping that when I break that other bolt, I can take the spindle off, clean this beast, maybe even spray paint it. Because, yeah, I have orange spray paint. And then I can put it back together. I did not expect this to take 3 days. I have to buy an impact adapter for my Matrix Black & Decker. And I stripped my 7/8 inch Craftsman socket. So that I have to buy new. But anyway, well, you guys ever wanted to see what a workshop of Michelle's looks like, I'm just going to give you a quick. That's a storage center that I have to put together. Yeah, I mean, I'm not a hoarder, but I've got everything except the right stuff. Yeah, I'm a wood hoarder. And then the storage unit is going there. And then all this stuff will be all cleaned up. And then all the wood is going up in the rafters. And yeah, one lawnmower, one non-working lawnmower, one new drag me around the lawnmower, one cart to pick up all the tree limbs with, my old trusty Snow Joe. Yes, that's an old lawn chair. There's 2 there. And yeah. So anyway, once I get this lawnmower done, I could do all the rest of the stuff.